Eyeliner can either drag our face down or lift it up. I'm going to show you a tiny little placement, a tiny little hack that makes all the difference. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we're meeting for the first time, welcome in. I'm 58 and I have enough stuff pointing down without my eyeliner being one of them. I have a really simple hack for you today. We're going to talk about liquid eyeliner. Don't let that scare you. If you are not a liquid eyeliner gal, I think you're going to love this tip regardless of what eyeliner you use. Now, if we've met before, you know this is going to be super affordable because I'm your budget beauty bestie. I will link this down in the description below. This is my favorite liquid eyeliner, and I always use brown. I feel like on our mature skin, I'm losing color in my face, and brown is much more flattering, much less stark and in your face than black. When you think about eyeliner, traditionally, or I should say, out of habit, we tend to line our eyes like this. That is immediately going to get everything to point down. I'm going to create a little wing. You can make this just as small or as long as you want to. But what we're going to do, the end of this liner is going to be following the lower lash line, not the upper lash line, because my upper lash line is pointing down here, right? I'm going to take this liquid liner and I'm going to rest it on the side of my nose, lined up with the corner of my eye. That's the angle that you're looking for. Do you see it? If you're using liquid liner or a pencil, it doesn't matter. That's your guide. I'm going to lay this eyeliner down, touch the tip down, and then drag it down. And that's how I'm going to make my mark. That's my guide. I haven't even finished my eyeliner, and look at this. It's already lifted just by following that lower lash line. Now, at the very end, I'm going to link an eyeliner tips video, but really quickly, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to line about 2/3 of my upper lash line, and I'm going to stick as close to my lash line as I absolutely positively can. It's not 100% perfect, and that's okay. Mascara will cover a lot of that up. Keep a few things in mind if you're trying this liner trick. First, it's going to take a little bit of practice. No one's going to get it perfect the first time. And speaking of perfection, your eyes are sisters. They're not twins. They're not going to look exactly the same every single time. Case in point, this one is pointing up just a little bit higher than this one. No one is going to get that close. And notice that this one doesn't look exactly like this one. So don't beat yourself up over it. If this eyeliner tip was helpful for our mature eyes, leave me a comment and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best and say hi over there. And don't forget, I've got more eyeliner tips right here. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.